Tornado-ready homes. Boost safety with proactive prep. Tornadoes are highly destructive, and preparing your home can make a significant difference in minimizing damage. A tornado-ready home should have a reinforced roof, impact-resistant windows, and secure exterior doors and garage doors. Foundation cracks should be repaired, and walls should be properly anchored to resist strong winds. Installing a tornado-safe room and securing outdoor structures like sheds and fences are also crucial. Regularly evaluate your home for vulnerabilities, especially in high-risk tornado zones. While no home is completely tornado-proof, reinforcing key areas like roofing, windows, and the foundation will improve your home's ability to withstand extreme weather. Proactive measures can help protect your family and property when disaster strikes.